As you hold garlic close, your body prepares to absorb its powerful nutrients. Inside, every organ stands ready, illuminated by the promise of natural healing. Watch closely as garlic enters the stomach, interacting with the delicate lining, setting in motion a cascade of digestive and immune responses. In the depths of your intestines, vital nutrients from garlic cross into your bloodstream, glowing particles of health traveling to energize your body. From muscle to organ, the nourishing energy of garlic spreads, lighting up your body with vitality and strength, a silent force fueling your well-being. Garlic's nutrients stimulate your brain, firing neurons and strengthening connections, sharpening your mind with every pulse. Muscles soak up the nourishing flow, growing stronger and more resilient, fueled by the potent compounds found in garlic. Deep within your gut, a thriving microbiome flourishes, balanced and glowing thanks to garlic's natural support. An energy surge radiates from your core, a revitalizing wave sparked by the nutrients found in garlic. But be mindful, too much garlic may irritate the stomach lining, causing inflammation and discomfort. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions, with redness and swelling signaling the body's defense. For sensitive bodies, garlic can sometimes trigger a spike in blood sugar levels, flooding the bloodstream with excess glucose. Conversely, in rare cases, overconsumption might lead to fatigue, dimming the cellular energy that sustains you.